Hook, your Android phone has a secret AI brain running right now, and you're probably only using 10% of what it can do. Google quietly packed 7 powerful artificial intelligence features into Android, and most users scroll right past them every single day. Intro, here is the wild part. These are not beta tests or hidden developer menus. These features shipped in recent Android updates, and they are sitting on your phone at this exact moment. The question is, are you actually using them? And more importantly, should you trust an AI that lives inside your pocket? Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner right now. It is free, takes 1 second, and YouTube will send you a video like this every single day. Do it now. Circle to search, the AI that sees what you see. Number 7. Circle to search. Google spent millions advertising this during the Super Bowl, but half of Android users still do not know it exists. Hold down the home button, circle anything on your screen it chooses, a landmark, a weird bug, and Google's AI identifies it instantly. No typing, no guessing. The AI looks at your pixels and understands what you are pointing at. This makes traditional Google searching feel like dial-up internet. If you are not using Circle to search daily, you are leaving free AI superpowers unused. Live Translate, your pocket interpreter. Number 6 is Live Translate. This one is actually mind-blowing, and Google does not talk about it enough. Your Android phone can translate conversations in real time, 2 people speaking different languages, and the phone translates both directions instantly. It works with text messages, live captions on videos, and even face-to-face conversations using the camera. The craziest part is that the translation happens entirely on your device. No internet needed. The AI language model runs locally on your phone's processor, which means it is fast, private, and works on an airplane or in a foreign country with no cell service. Apple charges you for this kind of capability. Android gives it to you for free. Magic Editor, the AI that rewrites reality. Number 5. Magic Editor in Google Photos. Open any photo on your Android phone, tap Edit, and then tap the magic wand icon. The AI can remove entire people from your vacation photos. It can reposition your subject, move yourself from the left side of the frame to the center. It can change the sky from cloudy to sunset with one tap. It can even generate parts of the image that were never there, like filling in a building that was cropped out. Google's AI looks at your photo, understands the scene, and literally paints in new pixels that match the lighting, shadows, and perspective. This is Photoshop-level editing that used to cost thousands of dollars and take hours of professional work. Now it takes 5 seconds on your phone. Call Screen, the secretary that never sleeps. Number 4 is the feature that changes how you use your phone daily. Call Screen. When an unknown number calls, Google's AI answers for you. It asks who's calling and why, transcribes their response on your screen in real time, and you decide whether to pick up or let the AI handle it. For spam calls, the AI deals with them completely. You never even hear your phone ring. Hold for Me listens to hold music when you call a business and alerts you when a human picks up. These 2 features save hours every month. And Google's AI does the talking with a natural voice that most callers do not even realize is a robot. Gemini Nano, the AI that lives in your phone. Number 3 is the one that sounds like science fiction. Gemini Nano is a full artificial intelligence model that runs entirely on your phone's processor. Not in the cloud. Not on Google's servers. Inside the physical device in your pocket. It is smaller than the cloud version of Gemini, but it is fast, completely private, and works without any internet connection at all. Right now, Gemini Nano powers features like smart reply suggestions in your messaging apps, automatic summaries of voice recordings in the Recorder app, and on-device text generation. And Google is expanding what Nano can do with every Android update. Most people have no idea they are carrying around an AI model that could summarize a document or draft a message without ever sending their data to a server. AI Wallpaper, your personal art generator number 2, is pure fun. Your Android phone has a built-in AI image generator for wallpapers. You type a prompt, anything you want, and the AI creates a custom wallpaper from scratch. Cyberpunk cityscape at sunset. Neon abstract geometry. Watercolor forest scene. Whatever you can describe, the AI generates and sets as your background in seconds. This is the same kind of AI image generation that companies like Midjourney charge $20 a month for, and Google built it directly into your phone's wallpaper settings. If you have not tried this, go to your wallpaper settings right now and look for the AI wallpaper option. It is probably the most fun 5 minutes you will have with your phone today. The privacy question, is your AI watching you? Number 1 is not a feature, it is a warning. All 7 of these AI capabilities are running on your phone, processing your photos, reading your messages, screening your calls, translating your conversations. Google says everything stays on device and private. But ask yourself, do you actually believe that? Every AI feature requires access to your data. Circle to search sees your screen. Magic Editor analyzes your photos. Call screen transcribes your phone calls. Even if the AI runs locally, the training data came from somewhere, and the models update over the internet. You are carrying a surveillance machine in your pocket that happens to also be incredibly useful. The question is whether the trade-off is worth it. Here is what I want you to do. Unlock your phone and try Circle to search on literally anything on your screen. It will blow your mind. Then subscribe, the button is right there in the corner, because tomorrow I am covering 5 AI tools secretly replacing human jobs and nobody is talking about it. Subscribe now so you do not miss it. YouTube is about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.